Okay, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. Yes, you heard me. We are doing season 1, episode 2 today. So, just want you guys to, yeah. So, guys, I just decided that to record a Minecraft video for you guys. Yeah, I need to start writing a script. Like a script, and then have it like right here next to my computer. And I can just have off that while I like play Minecraft and recording to you guys, like talking and yeah, stuff like that. So season 1, episode 2 of Minecraft. And I see how many episodes it's going to be like taking us. So let's pop right in. Play. Yeah. So last time I ended up in a hole. Yes, I dig myself in a hole. There's a hole. So yeah. Um. Okay. Fine. Get back into my hole. Get back into my hole. Goodbye. Wait until it's daytime. I am going to wait until daytime. Yes, one. I am not gonna block the creeper skeletons. I do not like because for some reason Minecraft decided to make skeletons a lot smarter. Zombies I can deal with. Spiders I can deal with. It's just the creepers and skeletons I cannot. So yeah, stupid creepers, stupid skeletons. I'm just waiting for night. Daytime. Daytime. I think I can, huh? Darn it. I'm gonna. Guys, by the way, you cannot like go in my word because it said the the yes right there. I'm going to get for my creepers. I see creepers about that here. Oh god, you stupid creeper, blew up my house. This is why I hate creepers. It blew me up. Give. At least I have to pass this up. This is why I hate creepers. Oh god. You stupid, 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 stupid. Mm. It's gonna take me like days to pass this up. The Creeper Island over here, or Creeper Land. What the heck? I am out of. Sorry guys, bless me. Okay, so let me get my dirt. Because I'm computed out because the stupid creepers had two creepers. Two stupid creepers had to blow me up. Stupid creepers. That's not what I wanted. I'm not being a noob. And decide not like fill in a hole. And guys, I know being a noob is fun. It's just that. Look what the stupid creeper did to my house. I need to fix that. Ooh. I just got serious. Flipping stupid creepers blew me up. Stupid creepers.
Oh my freaking goodness! It's still at 7:34.
Stupid creepers. I might make this area the area I'm digging out. I just got one fish. If I get bones, I'd be happy. This is why I need to find sheep ASAP. Like at night. I just seriously just did that. Yeah. Okay, not that hole is filled up. Oh, stupid creepers. You son of a monkey. Look what the creepers did. At least it did not do that much damage to my house. If I actually blow up my whole house, I'm going to be like, screw this, we quit. I am making new wood. Hopefully, sheep will like freaking pop up. I should make a tree farm. I just realized I need to make a tree farm. But I need to finish my house so I can stay away from the creepers. Plus, I need sand. Oh, there's chicken. I need to make a farm. I need to make pens for the animals. Yeah. So I'm going to start digging this area out. Look at that. My server's back broke. And my server broke. Crap. There we go.
Are you fucking kidding me?
There we go. And I'm gonna put my craft keeper there so I can make a flipping new shovel. There we go. There's no shovel. There we go. I'm gonna go get the iron.
Thank you, Gail. Now I have to restart the whole freaking thing.
Just need to dig this out so I can start a tree farm. Okay, there we go. Aha! Guys, we're in the ingredient stage. So, I'm gonna go through a lot of shovels. Hopefully in the next episode we will be like, yeah. No, but don't do that. There we go. That makes this like square, so we have enough room for tree farm and stuff and stuff. I might fill that in with it. You go away. There we go. Now it's square. I'm gonna go chop down some more trees. Got more saplings and stuff. Yeah, cutting down some trees. There's stupid creepers that blow up my stupid house. The reason why I'm building a house is to get away from the creepers. There we go. Oh yeah, let's just leave that nowhere. Everything that going away from the house that far. I'm thinking I'm probably make the tree farm over here. And then the animal pen up here. But like have a fence going way over here. Do that corner, this corner, and then fence. Like there's gonna be like my pathway. I'm trying to like decorate this with flowers. So now that stupid horse keeps you up. It's now filled. Aha! There we go. Now we can finish the house. Cause now I want that. Do. Ow. Uh-uh. Not that. Get to bed. I want. Okay, there's just something. There's just. So.
What?
2 by 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give it 2. Okay, that's gonna be the oak aisle. And then 1, 2, 3. Boop, 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 and boop. Now, yeah, let's go. I'm going to put it. I'm going to mow my lawn. I'm on my lawn right now. Guys, we're on a great start. We are, and I'm about to run out of time. So, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on next time. Bye.